Editing has the power to make or break a video project. If you film something yourself, here are a few tips to make your DIY videos look professional. First, add some music. If it's a short video, the music should be throughout. If it's longer than 5 minutes, add just a short track at the beginning and the end. But beware of copyright. Even if you are a nonprofit, platforms may take your video down if you use a copyrighted song. Either invest in a subscription service or search for copyright-free tracks. Next, if you're using a professional editing program like Premiere, correct the color. Premiere in particular has a one-click button that will correct the exposure and color of your footage automatically, no knowledge required, and dramatically increase the quality. Next, add your logo and website to the end of the video. Hold it there 5 to 8 seconds so the audiences know who you are. Or for a very small investment, you can engage a video pro to create an animated version of your logo. You can add this to the end of every video and prove to your audience that you take your brand seriously. And finally, put in some captions. That is the text of the words that are spoken. Again, professional editing programs can generate these for you, so can most social media platforms. Just be sure to review them and correct any mistakes. With just a little extra time and know-how, your DIY video will be ready to make an impact. Like and subscribe to get more mission-driven marketing tips, and let us help you to grow your outreach with video.